Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create an account on Luno app step by step. Luno is a trusted crypto wallet and exchange that lets you buy, sell and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT securely. And if you're new to crypto or using Luno for the first time, watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So let's get started. So first, make sure you've already installed the Luno app on your phone, and now you need to open. So once you reach into this interface, you need to tap on the get started. Over here, type down your email. So once you reach into this interface, we could see there's a create account on the bottom. And once you reach into this interface, you need to tap on the create account on the bottom. And after that, you can see there's an option for the email and password. You need to type down email and password as well. And make sure the password at least have 8 characters, 1 number, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter in order to create your account. And after that, you can select next go. And you need to verify your email. You can check your email inbox for the verification code sent by the Luno, and you need to enter the code inside the app to verify your email address. And that's it. This is how you can create an account in Luno app. Now you can access your wallet, explore cryptocurrencies and start using this app. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.